So GBPJPY on a 4-hour time frame is still ranging in between this key zone to this key zone, facing strong resistance at this major resistance zone, which has this multiple major retest points, and also facing support at this very recent support zone, which it is having a hard time making a breakout of. Now, if you zoom out, then you can also see how GBPJPY formed a beautiful head and shoulder pattern over here, which could look something like this, with this support zone being the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. So if GBPJPY does make a breakout of this support zone, then it would be making a breakout of the neckline of this head and shoulder patterns, and in that case we can look for trace on the short side on the breakout of this support zone with further bearish move in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way down to make a retest on this next support zone, or all the way down to make a retest on this next major support level, which has this multiple major retest points, if GBPJPY even makes a breakout of this key zone over here. However, if GBPJPY instead of making a breakout of this support zone, if it does show signs of price ejection from this key zone, respecting this key zone still as its support zone, then we can go to really shorter time frames like 30 minutes time frame, and then look at some sort of structure that it formed. As you can see over here, GBPJPY formed this small structure by facing support at this key zone and resistance at this key level on a shorter time frame point of view with multiple retest points over here. So in that case, if GBPJPY instead of making a break and close below this support zone, if it makes a break and close above this resistance with further bullish move, then we can look for trace on the long side in hopes of GBPJPY coming all the way up to make a retest on this key level or this the key zone once again to make another proper retest on this head and shoulder patterns right shoulder stop over here.